Have you ever experienced this in Beae Page Builder? You are trying to build a home page for your store. You've just finished creating a beautiful page in the Beae editor. You hit publish and you are excited to see it live in your store. But when you check the home page, nothing changes. Sounds familiar? You probably set the page type incorrectly. To build a home page, you need to set the page type to home page. Now, you might be thinking that you have to create a new page, set the type to home page, and rebuild the entire page from scratch. That would be frustrating, right? But I'm here to show you that you don't need to do that. You can easily convert the page you've already built into a home page with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to do that. To see the type of each page you've built in Beae, go to Manage Pages. At the top, you will find all the page types specified by Beae. As you can see, this store doesn't have a home page. Now, I want to convert this landing page into my home page. Let's do the start. First, we need to export your existing page. Go to the page you want to convert to the home page. In my case, it's this landing page. Open the page in the Beae editor. Click on the arrow drop-down icon right next to the Publish button. Choose Export as Beae file. Save the file in a convenient location on your computer. I'll save mine on my desktop. Now we need to create a new homepage and import the Beae file that we've just saved to our machine. First, we need to create a new page and make sure you have the page type set to homepage by selecting the homepage option. When the Beae editor opens, on the left side panel, select the template option on the bottom. Click Import File at the top left of the window. Select the Beae file you've just exported, or drag and drop it into the window. Hit the Import Now button. You're almost there. Now you can adjust things if you want to. Just make sure to hit Save and Publish. After that, check your store's home and it should be updated. You've just learned how to convert a landing page into a home page. You can use the same process to convert any type of page into another. I hope you find this video useful. For more tutorials like this, or if you want to learn how to create high-converting, high-performance pages for your store, check out other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.